Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you a really simple cover file design but beautiful. So let's get started. First, to cover the file, here I am using the black chart paper and then I will make really simple mandala art design so everyone can do it. Here to make my design I am using silver glittery pen and see how I am making it. And here it's done. Is not it too simple yet beautiful? To see more such beautiful ideas, hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Like and share. Thank you for watching.